no inna my league. Watch out now, them no inna my league, no inna my league. Them a help with a little bit of money and weed, no reach nowhere. And I say them a lead, no inna my league, no inna. Whoa, whoa.
So hi guys, welcome back to my channel and not to my kitchen. I'm sitting here with my daughter and there's a twist to this video. We are going to be trying out somebody else's sandwiches instead of my sandwich. And the sandwich that we are going to be trying is from ARBY'S. I choose ARBY'S to try theirs. I never had a ARBY'S sandwich before, so this is going to be actually my first time I eat this. And what did I choose?
It's called the Gyro.
The Gyro?
Yeah, the new sandwich that they have out right now is called the Gyro, I think it's called.
Gyro.
Yeah, it's like a grinder. So she got the turkey because they have turkey.
I have the turkey, but I had mine without onion.
Yeah.
And you had yours with onion.
Same thing.
Same thing, but without.
Because I don't want to eat no meat right now, no red meat.
And I didn't want to have no heavy meat either right now, so I decided to go with turkey instead. Them have all kind. Actually, them have.
They have beef, lamb, and turkey.
Right. So this is the one that I chose without the onion in it.
Yep, so let's get started then and
let's
see how
get right to it.
We have our bottle of water in case it's disgusting. I don't even know where's the water at.
The water there. Oh, see, it's at yours.
I got the bottle of water.
All of them that fun. So I have my water.
Yeah.
Just in case I don't like it.
Alright, and this is my
Even though I'd rather have it with some coffee.
Coffee?
Yeah. Like coffee, you know? But yeah.
So you want to try it? Okay,
so,
let's see. I'm excited because I'm kind of hungry. I haven't ate all day, so
you know how me feel about eating outside. I cook and I make everything in the kitchen, but I'm gonna do this one this time.
Okay, you try it. Let me see.
So
because I know she's funny.
And if it not tastes good, I'm not gonna make it
no onions, but it has
no onions, but black pepper, tomato, lettuce,
kind of stuff
and stuff. Yeah. Let's see.
It tastes healthy.
For me, it's pretty good.
I like
honestly, the bread is good, but it's always going to be a but for me when it comes out to food. But for me, it's good. But I would prefer the bread instead of white. I prefer wheat.
Yeah.
And it's pretty good, but
another but.
I like it had if the chicken was a little bit more seasoned.
But you know,
it would look a bit more flavor.
I mean, I taste the season. I taste like black pepper and salt and some kind of
it has black pepper on it.
The green season. What's that? Parsley. And then they have mayo on it. So
has mayo. But honestly speaking,
I mean,
if I was to choose between Subway and ARBY'S,
it would be ARBY'S for me. You know,
that would have been Subway for me.
Why?
Subway depends on which Subway you go to. If you go to a Subway where it is fast moving fast, I love a tuna sandwich. Tuna on wheat with American cheese, lettuce, tomato, cucumber, and sweet onion.
I like this because I like the bread. It's cheap too. It's not, the price is not bad. You get 2 for $6.
Not bad.
And it's healthy. You got your lettuce, your tomatoes, your onions, and the mayo. Sometimes, you know, they overdo it on sandwiches with mayo, but like this is a little bit overdone with the mayo, but it's okay.
Yeah, it's a little bit too much mayo for me.
A lot of mayo. But other than that, it tastes really good.
It's definitely not spicy.
It's not spicy. It's like a good sandwich, and it has a lot of meat in it.
I got to say, meat, it does have a lot of meat.
Subway don't give a lot of meat though.
It's pretty good, but I still choose Subway.
So this is very good. I already ate half of mine. You too.
I'm getting to it. But this is actually a sandwich I think I can make in my kitchen.
Definitely, but I don't know. The bread is a little bit different.
The bread is pretty soft.
It has a little spice to it. Not a spice, but
maybe the flavor from
it has like a little season going on.
No season.
I don't know if that's wheat.
It's definitely not wheat. This is white bread. So if you guys are into not eating white bread, this would be the sandwich.
No, it has no.
No, up no white. That's just from golden brown being toasted. But it's definitely.
But I like the bread.
It's soft. But I would still prefer if it was wheat instead.
A lot of restaurants think that wheat is expensive, so they go with white bread. You know. But I like this.
The lettuce is definitely fresh. The tomato.
The onions too. For me, because I got onions on mine, it's definitely fresh. You could smell onions when they're not fresh.
The tomato is definitely fresh.
Out of a 10, like what would you give this?
From 1 to 10, I would give this maybe an 8, which is not bad.
I'll give this probably a 9 because it's good, but it's not like mind-blowing.
It's not mind-blowing.
And I would definitely purchase this again, yeah.
And for me, it's good, but because it's not wheat, and I'm definitely into eating wheat.
Okay, so if they had wheat, what would you give them?
If it was wheat, I would have given them a 9.5.
So it's that good.
If it was wheat, for me it would be way better. Minus the mayo. Too much mayo.
Yeah, the mayo is like running down right now. So
it's just too much white bread for me.
Compared to Subway, their white bread is pretty thick.
But Subway, you have the whole
option.
It's just too much white bread for me.
My mama's on her last bite.
Last bite.
Oh my god.
It's soft, but it's a lot of flour going on. Make it even more healthier. You're killing that sandwich, so you really like it. Maybe once every 3 weeks.
That's stressed up on my lip.
But you're good. You're good. My lip.
You're good.
Alright guys. So that's about it. Make sure to check out Jamila's channel. JT.
It's JT.
It's JT.
I actually have a link down below.
Yeah, the link will definitely be down below. So guys, go ahead, click on that link, subscribe, and make sure to hit that notification
bell.
If you right there.
Yeah, subscribe to your channel and make sure to hit that notification bell. I shouldn't be saying this. This is your channel.
Yeah, you can say whatever you want on my channel. Anyway, but I do hope you guys like this video.
It's something new that we never did before. So.
I never did anything like this before.
Yeah, and even on my channel.
Right? But yeah, if you want us to do any more videos like this,
all you gotta do is thumbs up the video, and we'll know by by how many likes there is on the video.
And let us know down below in the comment section if you would like to see more like this. Yeah, me even I take more to the gum popping channel too.
Gum popping channel? Oh god. Anyway,
let us know if you want us to do one of that. That's it for now, guys. Thumbs up, like, share. I hope you really enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed doing it.
Yeah, this is fun.
Be sure to subscribe, and remember, always from my kitchen to your kitchen.
Enjoy. Bye.
Whoa, whoa. Hey man, higher than high man. Zoom higher the cloud in my float pan. First class to the world, me no coach man.